This is where it all begins.
3 months ago, we started to build a world we always wanted to build, where you have tons of things to do. And today we are finally ready to pull back the curtain and share with you the progress we have made so far. We are thrilled to introduce to you Darkhan, a game born out of late night brainstorming sessions, countless cups of coffee and shared passion for gaming. Darkhan is a 2D roguelite game with RPG elements to it, so multiple classes, quests, problems to solve, crafting, alchemy, character progression, bosses and tons of in-game mechanics, all in a theme that gets darker and darker the further you progress in the game. Inspired by many games, we want to create an experience that contains the best of all worlds. But it is not the only thing. We are also open for the community feedback and ideas, but more on that later in the video. Every game starts with a mix of ideas, and for us that's the board right here, next to the notes and thoughts that we share with ourselves on daily basis. And yes, I know it is blurred. Come on, you don't have to get everything in a single video. There must be some tension, alright? We are now busy with bringing these ideas into life, transforming them into the first glimpse of what Darkhan will become. And today we will show you our progress and what we have done so far. Let's start with the very first village. This is where the story begins.
In this village, world is still a nice and friendly place, but every NPC has a story to tell.
And yes, we even have the basic dialogues up and running already, but the system is still far where we want it to be. From the NPCs we have village major, blacksmith, trader and skills NPC, where you can learn new abilities. Every village will add new NPCs and unlock more mechanics to the game, so that on each stage of the game you have more and more things to do. Next to that, we are working on our first class, the Archmage. With this class we are still thinking what the skill set will the Archmage have, but the skill system is already partly developed. We have a teleport skill and a powerful thunder that kills everything it touches. Our idea for the skills is that every class will have multiple active skills, but you can only choose 4 of them, and next to that you also have passive skills tree, so builds and custom setups enchanted by equipment bonuses will be possible. Of course, what's the roguelite RPG without the loot? We started designing a variety of items and gear that you can collect. Every piece can change the way you play, whether it's boosting your speed, extra damage or defenses. Character will have an equipment slot for each item type, like weapon, helmet or a ring. The items will be obtained from the monsters, bosses and crafting of course. At this moment we have a slime that is still in progress, and as you kill him, he will drop us a loot that we can pick up and it's put into the inventory. This is what we have done so far in Darkhan. It is tons of fun and joy to do, and you can become the part of the creation too, as we want to put strong emphasis on the community around the game.
We want it to be your game as well. That's why we set up a Discord server with all the channels on it.
From sharing fan art to discussing game mechanics and most importantly a place for your ideas. If you got a cool concept for an ability, NPC or fun idea, make sure to share it there. Also, if you want to see more from behind the scenes, we will be sharing it on our Instagram page, and for the news and updates you can follow us on X. All the links are in the description. We are counting on you guys. We've come a long way in just few months, but this is only the beginning. There is so much more we can't wait to show you. New zones, epic boss battles and fun quests that we will put into the world of Darkhan. In the next devlog we will be diving into the first major zone of the game. New monsters, the zone will be procedurally generated, and of course the challenges that come with it. We are also working on our UI and combat mechanics to make sure that everything feels just right. So if you like the idea of Darkhan, make sure to leave the comment down below and subscribe for more updates. See you guys in the next devlog.